5 pros and 5 cons of white kitchen cabinets. Dear friends, white cabinets are a very popular choice and for kitchen cabinets and for a good reason. However, before you settle on color or pattern, there are some things to consider. We'll watch 5 pros and cons to help your decision-making process. 5 white cabinet pros. Looks clean and crisp. One primary benefit of white kitchen cabinets lies in their simplicity. You'll get a clean and crisp look that modernizes your space. White cabinets give you a bright white canvas to make a statement with other appliances and surfaces. Stands the test of time. While other kitchen trends often swing periodically in and out of fashion, white cabinets have long been a staple for a modern kitchen space. Increases resale value. By choosing a timeless cabinet color, you'll increase the resale value of your home. If you're renovating, then it's the smart decision to make. Opens up space. One of the main reasons that white cabinets increase resale value lies in their ability to reflect light and make your kitchen feel spacious and open. Stains easily identified. In terms of hygiene, white cabinets make stains and dirt easy to identify and clean. Stains on darker surfaces are often overlooked and can cause your kitchen to become dirty without you knowing. With white cabinets, you won't have that problem. 5 white cabinet cons. Shows dirt. On the downside, you are likely to spend more time cleaning simply because dirt and stains show up readily. Readily shows wear and tear. In addition to dirt, white cabinets will also show unwanted wear and tear. Compared to other designs and colors, white cabinets will highlight any dents, scratches, or marks that come with working in a kitchen. Can feel cold and sanitary. There's a fine line between clean and crisp and cold, and sanitary. Make sure you don't end up picking a shade that tips your kitchen to the wrong side of this line. Difficult to match. Because white cabinets offer a neutral space, it can sometimes be challenging to make them work in harmony with the kitchen's colorful features. Glare from overhead lights. As earlier mentioned, white cabinets are great for reflecting light, but this is another balance that you need to strike. Overhead lights can produce a glare on some surfaces, which isn't pleasant while you are trying to work. Make sure your lighting works with your cabinets, so you don't blind yourself while chopping veggies. Clearly, there are a few things to be mindful of when making the decision to use white cabinets in your kitchen. White is a great way to create a beautiful and spacious space. Just make sure you strike a balance, so it still feels right. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.